Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Yes, it is possible to repair a PS4 controller without soldering, depending on the issue. For common problems like sticky buttons or analog stick drift, a simple cleaning with isopropyl alcohol might fix it. You can also replace the battery or triggers without needing to solder. However, for more complex issues involving the motherboard or internal circuitry, soldering skills may be required. Always assess the problem carefully and consult repair guides specific to the issue before proceeding.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.